I genuinely don't have a strength. If I was going to go on Mastermind and had to choose a specialist subject, I would have to choose the life of someone who hadn't done very much but had published an autobiography, knowing that there was one slim volume I could study and kind of get it down. I can't do big subjects.
I think they need to change the fact that they think it's general knowledge. That's far from general. None of that was general. Like, general's like, what colour's milk? And like, what time does it get dark?
I am the sort of person who always thinks that I'm going to wing it, because I don't think it's doing anything if you don't do that. What's the point? So I was very, very pleased to finish second, but when I was watching Dave up there on his own, rattling up the money for the charity, I was a little bit jealous.
I'm on television nearly every single day, and it's absolutely natural. Stand in front of those cameras and someone asks you the most simple question, and it just goes blank.
I was so nervous before I went on, but when I got there and I got into the swing of it, I really started to enjoy it. It was really good fun.
I didn't develop any rivalries as such, but Lucy nominated us for no reason and got us kicked off. So her tyres on her car will be flat when she gets home.
I do great at a pub quiz. You know, when I'm relaxed, I've got my glass of wine, I've got my little bowl of nuts, I've got my friends surrounding me, and, you know, great atmosphere, lots of screaming and shouting and whatever in the pub, but yeah, not tonight. Although it was still good fun, I have to say. Tense, but it was a lovely group of contestants, so it was nice. I have fond memories.
Have you ever wondered how you would do at 15 to 1? Then head over to channel4.com/15 to 1 to take our test. You can see how you would fare against the other celebrity contestants.